All right, guys, it's been raining. God, it's been raining for about 3 days now. It's everything is just a big sloppy mess. So I had some errands to run this morning. Now I'm gonna try to get this garden bed drug out of here, filled up with dirt. You can see, yeah, you can see all of that. Everything is just a big soupy mess. It's time to get a little cleanup done, get this thing drug out. I need to get a brush and brush it off right quick. Get some soil to put in there. We've got a big pile of topsoil. It's getting kind of loud in here. We've got a big pile of topsoil that's been sitting up here for several years, and we kind of use it for garden beds or just whatever. I'm gonna go grab some of this, bring it back down here, and try to go about 2/3 full. Just sold part of his property here, and this little cabin went with it, and I've got some, in fact I see someone out here, I've got to help do a little restoration on this little cabin this summer too, so that'll be a fun little project. Well, it's full of dirt. I still need to put compost in it. I do have some of the super soil. You can see all the black soil right there. I do have some of that left, but not near enough. I bought that last year to actually go here in the garden, and that's what I have left. But it's mostly full. It won't take that much compost and topsoil or garden soil to put in there. We'll be ready to go. A little bit longer and I can start planting. You want to see what spoiled, rotten chickens look like? They all think they're starving. What's this? Now mind you, they've got 30 pounds of feed in there. Plenty of bugs and grass and everything else, but they see you out here. They think they need their treats all day. And then here comes Lucille. She stays right here at my feet. She got used to getting picked on, so now she tries to stay right next to me because other chickens won't pick on her if they're next to me. But there's the spoiled chickens. I don't know where the pigs are. I do have some news about the house. Of course, I haven't been able to work on it in a couple of days because it's been raining every single day. It rained for about 2.5 days straight, so I haven't done anything else. But I have found a man basket. It's not one, it's a towable. It's not one that you just drive around. I couldn't get one of those. But I do have a man lift. I'm scheduled to get it. That's gonna really help me out putting all this stuff up. So hopefully I can get all that done really soon and get on to, I'm gonna come through here and soft wash everything, try to get the chinking on the outside done, the rest of the doors and windows. I'm gonna get those at least cut out and the door and window bucks put in. I just wanna get it closed up. That way, as long as I can get it closed in, I can work on it through the winter and it shouldn't slow me down, as long as I can make the money last. But yeah, that's good news. I was trying to figure out how I was going to be able, it's just so tall up there, and I don't know, I feel a lot better working out of a man basket. So that's the news on the house. The planter box, you saw it, it's done. What I'm going to do next, I don't know, because it's supposed to rain again for the next 5 or 6 days. So it's just going to be little piddly projects here or there, and I don't know. I'll update you guys as first chance I get. I do have a couple of pig projects I need to do. I know most of you guys are not going to be happy about it, but I need to build a salt box and I need to build a skinning stand. I was going to go ahead and scrape them, but I'm not going to. Doing all this by myself is just going to be too much work. I'm not really set up for it anyway. But it's about time. It's about time for the pigs to go. As bad as I hate to, that's what they're here for. They're for food. And really, I'm just pouring feed in them just to keep them hanging around now. They go through around 75 to 100 pounds a week. And, you know, feed's not cheap. They're not really putting on much weight right now. They're growing really slow and they're eating a lot of feed, so it's just, you know, it is what it is. But I'll get more pigs. Gonna be getting goats. When, I don't know. Hopefully fairly soon, but I can't do anything right away because I'm working on the house. But I got a lot of cleanup to do around here. Got to take care of the pigs. Got chicks going to be hatching anytime soon. I'm saving all my blue eggs, and I've got one hen that's starting to lay. She lays really, really dark brown eggs. I'm saving those eggs. I'm going to put them in the incubator. You can see the ones I've gotten now. So that'll add some new chickens. I'll be getting more eggs before winter. So a lot of things going on, lots of things happening, but I'm ready for some dry weather so I can get out here and work every single day. I don't do good cooped up inside, or I don't know, I get grouchy. That's it. See you guys tomorrow, hopefully.